Okay, just a quick video here to show you this case splitting tool that I got. Super handy. I think it was from one of these VW parts houses, but it seems to be working pretty good. I mean, you got to be careful splitting these things, especially on the ceiling surfaces. You can't pry in there or else it won't seal anymore. So let me split this thing up and see what we got. Okay, I finally got this case split, and oh yeah, the windage tray just did not want to let go, but I don't think I monkeyed up the edges too bad. A little worried it was going to be the cam gear, but that looks pristine. Cam lobes show typical wear, nothing excessive. Crank looks good. May need to be turned, but nothing I can feel. But I think what was locking it up, that's what drives your distributor shaft. It's got some burrs on it. Let me pull that crank out of here. It's going to require two hands. Be right back. Yeah, it's this distributor shaft. That thing is locked up tight. I mean, it should spin freely, and you can see it's been chewed pretty good. I don't think those notches are factory. You flip this thing over. We'll look down inside of there. Yeah, you can see the spring. Oh, it's just corroded all to hell. All right, I'm gonna spray some lubricant down in there. Yeah, that's what, from all indications, bearings are all in place. You know, nothing shows spun or anything like that. So, and you know, once I cracked it and the crank disengaged from here, the crank and the camshaft were turning. So that's a new one on me. I wonder if that sat open for a long time without a distributor on it. Something. Okay, I got it out, but I had to punch it out from the bottom with a brass punch. I mean, it was corroded tight, so that's what was locking everything up. So ultimately, I think I need a new brass ring gear, the shaft itself, because it meshes up like this. So yeah, I don't know if those notches are machined in or what the story is. They may be. It doesn't really matter because I broke a tooth off trying to get it out. So I mean, everything else looks pretty good. Crank and the cam gear looks okay. Yeah, that gear's definitely fine. So anyway, that's what was going on with this engine. Was the distributor shaft was locked up the whole damn engine. That's the reason it would move slightly. The crank would move back and forth about a degree, maybe 2 degrees. So if you got that going on with one of your 914 engines, yep. But you would have to strip the engine to get the shaft out, because there's no way to dig it out of there without, you got to disassemble the whole engine. Okay, Now I can go back to the chassis.